Video content on LinkedIn right now is blowing up. You've got to be creating great content for LinkedIn. In today's video, I'm walking you through some of the best practices to make sure that your videos stand out and get noticed. Let's get into it. Generally speaking, LinkedIn is great for B2B, business to business relationships. And video is absolutely huge here. There's a lot of reach potential. So the first step here for creating your video post is to simply go over here to this little video button. We're going to click this and we're going to find the video that we want to share. Today, I'm sharing this guy right here. Every social media channel is a little bit different, but LinkedIn really likes to have a lot of text. And I recommend writing a lot more for LinkedIn than you typically would. So let me go ahead and write some quick copy for this post. Okay, so I've written some text for my video. I've tagged a few relevant accounts, YouTube and our speaker in this video, Amanda Horvath. Super important that you're tagging people in your videos. And at the end, I always like to add a few different hashtags. I like to add 3 to 5 hashtags that are relevant to each video. If you can stay consistent across your videos, that's a plus as well. So I'm gonna do something like entrepreneurship. I'll do something like YouTuber. So using about 3 to 5 hashtags in each video, this is a really good tactic. Now you'll notice that this thumbnail is not great and I don't actually have a thumbnail to upload. So we're just gonna go with this for now, that's fine. You can also add an SRT file for subtitles and captions. I actually create those on the front end in Adobe Premiere Pro. You definitely want to have captions in all of your videos. If you need a link, I've got a great program that you can use that's very cheap. It's called Transcribe. I'll have a link below for you if you want to get great, fairly simple, fairly accurate SRT caption files, because if you want to stand out in your videos, you need to have captions in your videos. But this is so easy. It's so simple to get your post posted and optimized. We're going to go ahead and post here and we can see it's uploading. A couple quick notes on LinkedIn. Tagging people is really big. One of the things that I've seen a lot of accounts doing is tagging other accounts that they think might be interested in the content that you're producing. Now, I definitely don't recommend spamming other people, but tagging other accounts is a good way of leveraging people that you know and relationships that you have to get more engagement on your video. I would also recommend avoiding putting links to outside sources like YouTube videos or websites in the description itself. If you do have links to outside sources, you generally want to put that in your comments and pin that comment. So here we see that our video is done, it's uploaded. You could certainly share this with other people. I might actually share this to another page that I manage, to my Mark Savant Media page. You could also certainly leave a comment here with links to outside websites, or maybe this is a clip from a full YouTube video or podcast. You could leave a link. I would recommend leaving links in the comments as opposed to in the description itself. I hope you like this video on how to maximize and create a great video experience on LinkedIn. Make sure that you like if you enjoyed it and leave a comment below. What question do you have about LinkedIn? I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you soon here at Mark Savant Media. Peace.